me, and I'm back with another tutorial. I'm back with a unboxing video. So guys, I got a package today from FedEx, and it's a wig, yes. And I hope y'all are ready to unbox this wig with me and also look at some products and tools that I bought to maintain this wig, to apply this wig, etc. I will be doing a part 2 of the process that I'm going through to get this wig together. But yeah, if you guys would like to see my unboxing and see what I got to apply and slay this wig, just continue to watch. Okay, so guys, this is the package. Okay, it's not open. I did not open the chat. I want y'all to like do the whole process with me because I'm really excited but really nervous at the same time. So we're just gonna take some scissors. I mean, I guess that's what this is for, huh? We can open it the proper way, guys, by the tab. Oh, see, this is taking too long already. Okay. Yay. Okay, so we emptied the bag. So the wig, it just came like this, which I'm completely okay with as long as you know the hair came. And it also came with a booklet. Oh, you know what they always give you. Please, just, you know, how to take care of the hair. Proven care and maintenance tips. Okay, I don't know why they have her on here with this. But, yeah, that's all this is. Okay. And it also came with a wig cap. There's 2 wig caps in, oh, yay me. There's 2 wig caps in here. And then of course the hair, but this is, we're here for the hair. So I got 24 inches of body weight and 250% density. Yeah, this is my first time ordering a wig, so I'm sorry I keep looking over here because that's how I can make sure I'm still recording and stuff. But y'all, look at her. She is giving. Period. Oh my gosh. Okay, so of course it came with this net on top of the hair. I don't know what this is. But yeah. Let's get this net off. About to show y'all lace. Wait a minute. This is lace, y'all. I haven't even looked at it myself. I'm just showing y'all. Oh shit. It's so soft. Okay. It's giving lace. This is the wave before the wash. Oh my gosh. She is gorgeous. Period. I need to go get all my flexi rods. Oh, let me not scratch my eye. You know, we're gonna be clean with this. Okay, so, and on the inside we have a strap, but I have a little bit of lace in the back too. But anyway, it has 4 clips. Okay, so yeah guys, I just washed the hair and I bleached the knots, or I'm currently bleaching the knots. So I'm now gonna show you guys what I got to do the hair. I have a box full of stuff. Y'all know I'll be having my little containers. So the main things that I have are the Shea Moisture Strengthening and Restore shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm gonna wash and condition the hair with this. This is what I use for my hair and I want to take care of the wig like I take care of my hair. So next I have Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray. If you watched my last video, then you would see I got this. I got this from Ulta, and I got the shampoo and conditioner from Target. And next I got this, what is this? Black Diamond by DuPont. It's just a, what is it called? A Ratto comb, but this is the heat resistant one. It's heat resistant. It's heat and chemical resistant and anti-static. I don't know, but I got this. I got some alcohol, and I got this from Safeway because Target didn't have any alcohol. I mean, I guess since this little virus is going around, you know, we no longer have alcohol in stores, but yeah, I got this from Safeway. And then I got my Shimmer Light shampoo from Target. I got this from Target. And then I got this, it has, you can see water because I literally just washed it out from trying to bleach the knots. So I got this, you know, for the bleach. And next, I got these razors from Ross. The tag is still on. It was 3 and 1 is in my bathroom because I'm trying to shave. But yeah, so I got these from Ross. And I have my Ghost Bond, and I ordered this from Amazon. And then of course I have the B2W bleach packet so I could bleach the knots. I bought 2 and I used this one to bleach the knots. And also I got the Salon Care 40 Volume Cream Developer. And yeah, so those are all the products that I bought in order to get through this wig. And then of course I got the wig from Ali Grace. As you can see in the title, I love you all so much, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the part 2 of this video. Bye.